Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. It's the engine driving the modern world. But what's actually happening under the hood? Welcome to the AI Core Playbook, your visual guide to workloads, machine learning, and the ethics that keep it all in check. To understand AI, we first have to look at how we used to build software. In traditional programming, a human writes every single rule: if X happens, do Y. It's rigid. Artificial intelligence flips the script. Instead of being told the rules, the system is fed data and uses pattern recognition to learn the rules itself. It moves from following instructions to making smart decisions. Think about your daily life. No human sits in a room checking your inbox for spam. An algorithm learned what spam looks like from millions of examples. When you get a video recommendation or a faster route on your GPS, that's the result of this flow. Raw data goes in. The system learns the patterns, and the result is a real-time prediction. Most AI tasks fall into four main buckets. Machine learning is all about predicting outcomes. Computer vision allows machines to see and process images. Natural language processing, or NLP, lets computers read and understand text. And conversational AI is the tech behind chatbots that talk back. Pro tip for the exam: if you're trying to identify a workload, just ask, is the problem about prediction, images, text, or a conversation? Let's look at the anatomy of a model. Imagine we're predicting house prices. The inputs like size, location, and the number of rooms are called features. We feed these into the engine to train it. The final output, the actual price the model predicts, is called the label. Features are what the model looks at. The label is what the model is trying to solve for. There are two primary ways models learn. In supervised learning, you provide the data and the answers, like showing a model thousands of emails and telling it which ones are spam. The goal is to identify known categories. In unsupervised learning, you provide the data with no answers. The model has to find its own hidden structures and group things together on its own. When we talk about supervised learning, there's a golden rule to remember. If you're predicting a category like spam or not spam, you're using classification. If you're predicting a number like the exact price of a house or the temperature tomorrow, you're using regression. Which type? Classification. How much? Regression. As strong as AI is, the stakes are incredibly high. When an algorithm makes a life-altering decision, like denying a loan, filtering a resume, or diagnosing a patient, hidden biases in the data can lead to unfair outcomes. This is why the mechanics of math aren't enough. We need ethical guardrails. To build trust, we follow the 5 pillars of responsible AI. Fairness, no bias based on race or gender. Reliability, the system must be safe and accurate. Transparency, users deserve to know why a decision was made. Accountability, humans must ultimately govern the system. Privacy, personal data must be protected at all costs. Let's bring it all together. AI is the umbrella. Under it, we have our workloads like vision, NLP, and machine learning. Machine learning branches into supervised and unsupervised pathways, leading us to classification and regression. And wrapping around everything is the shield of responsible AI. Master this map, and you've mastered the core of AI. Thanks for watching the AI Core Playbook. If you found this visual guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of tech and cloud architecture. Good luck on your AI journey.